Hello everyone and welcome once again on my YouTube channel Unlock IELTS with Richa. Today, through this video, we are going to learn about the sentence structures. But before starting, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest IELTS updates and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. There are basically three types of sentence structures: simple, compound and complex. It is very important that you should understand the correct usage of these sentence structures in order to boost your score in the IELTS writing task. Now let's have a detailed look on the different sentence structures. The first one is simple sentence. Now what is a simple sentence? A simple sentence is one which has got one independent clause. That means it has one subject and one verb. Simple sentence is a complete thought in itself. Let's have a look on the example. Roxy waited for the bus. Roxy represents the subject and waited represent our verb. Also, simple sentence can have compound subject. For example, Harry and Larry attended the show. Here, Harry and Larry represent the compound subject. Attended is our verb. Also, simple sentence can have compound verb. For example, I arrived at the train station early but waited until noon for the train. Here, I represent our subject. Arrived and waited represent our compound verb. Now, what are the key points which you need to remember in case of simple sentence structure? No doubt, the usage of compound subjects, compound verbs, prepositional phrases and other elements can basically help you to lengthen your simple sentences. But you need to know that simple sentences are often short only. Also, the usage of too many simple sentences can make your writing clumsy and can prevent the flow of writing go smoothly and logically. So in order to tackle this, in case you're using too many simple sentences or your current writing style involves the usage of too many simple sentences, then in that case, you should consider rewriting some of the sentences into compound or complex sentences. Now, what is compound sentence? Compound sentence is one which has got two independent clauses or two complete sentences. Basically, these two independent clauses or complete sentences are connected to one another with a coordinating conjunction. Now, the question here comes, what are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Or you can remember all those coordinating conjunctions by the word fanboys. Let's have a look on the example. I waited for the train, but the train was late. As you can see, there are two independent clauses or two complete sentences joined by the word but. I am counting my calories, yet I really want dessert. Once again, two independent clauses or two complete sentences joined by the coordinating conjunction yet. As you have already noticed in the examples that the usage of the coordinating conjunctions can indicate some type of relationship between the two independent clauses in the whole sentence. Now, what are the key points you need to remember in case of the compound sentence? First of all, coordinating conjunctions sometimes do not indicate a logical relationship between the two independent clauses. So in that case, you're using too many compound sentences using the coordinating conjunction can weaken your writing. So the tip here is, if you want to make your writing more clearer, concise and impressive to the examiner, you need to establish more specific relationships. And this can be done by writing the complex sentences. Now, what is complex sentence? A complex sentence is one which has got an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. As you already know, an independent clause is a complete sentence and is a complete thought in itself, whereas a dependent clause does not express a complete thought. In case of complex sentence, subcoordinating conjunction is a word or phrase that actually links a dependent clause. Now you must be thinking of the linking words in case of complex sentence. Subordinating conjunction is a word or a phrase that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. Let's have a look on the example. She returned the computer after she noticed it was damaged. Because my coffee was too cold, I heated it in the microwave. The underlined words in our examples are subordinating conjunctions. As you can see on the screen, different subordinating conjunctions are which you can use in your complex sentence: after, although, as, because, before, even though, if, since, though, unless, until, when, whenever, whereas, wherever, while. Now, what are the key points which you need to take care of in case of complex sentence? First of all, the dependent clauses can go first in the sentence, then followed by the independent clause. Also, the independent clauses can go first in the sentence, followed by the dependent clause. A complex sentence indicates more clearer, concise, and establish more specific relationships between the main parts of the sentence. So the tip here is, while you're writing the complex sentence, when the dependent clause comes first, a comma should always be used to separate the two clauses. And when the independent clause comes first, a comma should not be used to separate the two clauses. Now it's time to brainstorm the different types of structures which we have learned in this video. There are 5 sentences which are given on the video. You can pause the video and try guessing what type of sentence structure each represents. Here are the answers to the practice exercise. If you find the content in this video helpful, don't forget to leave your feedback or any doubt in the comment section below. Also, you can reach me on fb.com/unlockieltswithricha. For more such videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and do share this video for other IELTS aspirants. Until then, all the best.